everybody? I'm here today to show you and tell you in a very simplistic tutorial, but also a complete tutorial, how to program the GE Universal Remote that you see right here. Once again, these will be easy instructions. So essentially, how to program the GE Universal Remote that you see right here in my hands. Easy instructions in a simplistic tutorial. Let's get right into the video. So essentially, you need your code list. These remotes work with codes. The code that you put in will tell it what signal it's trying to send to the TV or device that you're trying to program it with. So when you have your code list ready and your remote has batteries in it and you have your device in front of you, you're good to go. So essentially, you want to go on your code list and look up all of the codes that are related to the device that you're trying to pair it with. So for instance, if I was trying to pair this with a Samsung TV, I would go to the TV section of the code list and go and look at the Samsung section and get all of the codes that are for Samsung TVs. There's likely going to be more than one because there's all different codes for, the same brand, because over the years they've changed the coding and stuff like that, and different models have different signals that they send, blah blah blah. So you want to find the codes that you potentially need. Okay, once you're ready to go, turn the device on. So turn the TV on, for instance, okay? Then you want to press and hold the setup button on your remote. So press and hold the setup button and release the setup button when this light over here stays red. So press and hold the setup button and then release it, and this light up here will stay red and you're ready to set up. I was showing the input button, but the setup button is over here, but you get the idea. Press and hold the setup button and release it. That light should stay red. Then once you're in the setup mode, because that tells you you're in the setup mode, and you got to do this quickly because it will time you out after, I think it's like 35 seconds or 30 seconds. So you got to move quickly, okay? Then you want to press the device that you want to program. So let's say I wanted to program the TV. I'm going to press the TV button, just press it and release it. This light is going to flash, sort of blink red, and it'll stay red after that. So that tells you that you press the button and it's still in setup mode because that light is still illuminated red, okay? Now, you want to then enter the code. So you want to enter the code that you chose. There might be 4 or 5 codes, just choose the first one. Enter the code on the number pad over here, on the number keypad, and then you want to point the remote at the TV, press the power button and see if it works. If it works, you're good to go. You've now set up your remote you've now programmed it using the code. If it doesn't work, you got to do all those steps again from the holding the setup button down. So hold the setup button down, okay, press the device you want to program, which would be TV in my hypothetical example. Put the code in that you think it might be, so use the next code on your list, point it at the TV, press power and see if it turns the TV off. If it turns the TV off, then you're good. If it doesn't turn the TV off, you got to rinse and repeat the process. And it's that simple. Once it turns the TV off, it's already programmed. You're good to go. Then you can just press the button, like the TV button, and then control it. Power on, change a channel, change the volume, enter the channel number, whatever you want to do with the universal remote that I actually almost dropped. But I got my jacket here, so no damage will be done. And that's basically it. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it an awesome thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.